Hello students. Today we will start the fourth lesson of science, that is plants around us. Till now we have discussed about the importance of plants. We see different types of plants around us. We can see plants growing at different places, such as plains, deserts, hills, and even in water. So that means everywhere there is plant. And you know that we can't survive on this earth without plants or trees, because they give us oxygen. And without oxygen, no living organism can survive. We know the importance of plants. Now today, in this chapter, we will discuss about the different types of plants and the different habitats of plants. Now here is one Phillips. Use the help box to complete where the following plants trees grows. Here are some variety of plants given or trees given. You have to identify the places where they grow. Here is the cactus, lotus, and different trees, banyan tree or neem tree, and here is pine tree. So we have different types of trees over here, and we have to identify where we found them. So here is the question. Pine trees are found on. Here is a picture of pine tree. So where we find this pine tree? Here are the options: hills, plains, water, or desert. You all know. We don't find pine tree in desert areas. It is not possible in water. Can we find this in plain or in hills? Yes, we find this pine tree on the hills. So we will write it here, hills. The next is your cactus. You all know about the cactus. Cactus is found in plains, water, or desert. Yes, we all know cactus is found in desert. Next is your neem and banyan trees are found in. So we have two options left, water and plains. So obviously it is not possible to grow these plants in water. So these trees grow in plains. And next is your lotus and water lily. You all know that lotus and water lily grow found in water. So plants growing at different places are different in appearance and structures. You can see here in the picture, this cactus grow in desert, lotus or water lily grow in water. These are the trees of plains, and this is the picture of pine tree which grow in hilly areas. They all looks different. Their appearance and structure is different. And we will study about them, their structure, their appearance, their features, which help them to grow in that particular area in this chapter. So let us find out how plants found at different places differ from one another. So, terrestrial plants. Here is a word, terrestrial. And this word will be used in many places, in many chapters. Terrestrial plants, terrestrial animals, terrestrial planets. This word is very important, and we will learn about the terrestrial plants. That means the plants growing on land. Terrestrial means land. So the plants growing on land are terrestrial plants. So we will discuss about the plants that grow on land. Now plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. There are many different types of terrestrial plants. We will discuss them one by one. Now here, do you know the place where a living thing lives most comfortably is called its habitat. That means any living organisms or living thing which live in a place where it is comfortable, that is called its habitat. The habitat is thus the natural home of the living thing. So these are the different habitats that we will study now. Plants of hills. That means we'll discuss about the plants that grow on hills. Pine, deodar, cedar, spruce and fir are some of the plants which grow on the hills. These are the name of the plants or trees that grow on hills, or you can say on mountains. These plants are tall and straight. These are the special features of these plants, how they look, their appearance, structure, we are talking about it. So the plants of hills are tall and straight and generally have a conical shape. You can see here in the picture the shape of this pine tree. This is conical in shape. You all know cone. This is cone. So this is conical shape. So this tree is conical in shape. Now here is the spruce tree. This is also conical in shape. They all are tall and straight. So these tall, straight and green conical trees make hills appear green and beautiful. And because of their appearance, the hills appear green and very beautiful. Their leaves are narrow and needle shaped. As we are living on the hills, you must have seen these trees here. आप में से बहुत से बच्चों ने चीड़ के पेड़ देखे होंगे. क्या कभी आपने उनके लीव्स को ऑब्जर्व किया है? उनके जो लीव्स होते हैं बिल्कुल पतले और सुई के जैसे. दैट मीन्स नैरो एंड निडल शेप्ड. ऐसे होते हैं. कभी आप हिल्स में जाएं, शिमला या किसी और जगह हिल स्टेशन पे, तो वहां पर आपको देवदार या बाकी ये पाइन, सेडार, ये ट्रीज आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. एंड देयर यू कैन ऑब्जर्व देयर लीव्स. एंड हेयर वी फाइंड द पाइन ट्री और चीड़ का पेड़. And we have seen its leaves. They are narrow and needle shaped. Can you think why their leaves are like this? Why they have conical shape? The conical shape of these trees does not allow snow to get deposited on them. This is the reason they have conical shape, and their leaves are narrow and needle shaped. You know that snow falls on the mountains or hills, and these trees, the shape of these trees does not allow the snow to get deposited on them. You must have seen the houses of hills. What is the shape of their roof? They have a sliding roof. आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चे ने हिल्स में जब जाएंगे तो आपने देखे होंगे कि जो हिल्स पे जो हाउसेज होते हैं उनके जो रूफ होते हैं वो इस तरह से होते हैं. और आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चे भी जब हाउसेज ड्रॉ करते हैं पेंटिंग्स में तो वो भी इस तरह से ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो दिस इज द स्लाइडिंग रूफ. व्हाई? बिकॉज it does not allow snow to get deposited on them. Similarly, the leaves or the shape of these trees, that is conical shape, does not allow snow to get deposited on them. अगर इनकी conical shape नहीं होती, then what will happen? उनके ऊपर बहुत सारी स्नो डिपॉजिट हो जाती, जिसकी वजह से उनकी ब्रांचेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा वजन पड़ता और उनकी ब्रांचेस टूट जाती. अब जब स्नो उनके ऊपर नहीं रुकेगी तो वो फिसल के नीचे गिर जाएगी, जिससे उनको कोई भी हार्म नहीं पहुंचेगा. So that is the reason why they have conical shape and tall. The next is your plants of plains. Peepal, banyan, mango, sal, shisham are some of the plants found in plains. They grow into trees having many branches. So in plains, there is no snowfall. So that's why their shape is not conical. You can see here, observe here. They don't have a conical shape because there is no snowfall. So there is no need of that shape. And they also have many branches. They are very broad in shape. You can see here, you must have seen the peepal tree, banyan tree and mango trees. These are the different trees and their branches are very big, and they also have many branches. So tomorrow or in next video, we will learn about the other habitats of plants and their features, what make them special and which help them to survive in that particular area or region. Thank you.